so precious. Yes, you are. Yeah. You feel good.
Mm-hmm.
What are you trying to say, huh? You see Mama. Yeah, so you...
Say love you.
He's gonna entertain Mama. I can't believe he talks like that so much.
Yeah, you should hear when he really gets going. Squawk box.
When he gets verbal, he's gonna be really verbal.
Okay.
Yes.
Big vocabulary.
We're going to teach him words like superfluous.
Oh my goodness, that's a talkative kid. Oh my goodness. I think he likes to hear his voice.
I think he does too.
You like to hear your voice, huh? Is that what you like? Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
That's gonna have a lot of strength in those arms. You're gonna be able to help Mama move some stuff when you get big, won't you, huh? Move that tongue. Use his tongue. Oh, what's going on, huh? What you doing? Oh, you got that tongue going like you're thinking of food. You don't eat no food yet.
I can practice.
It's gonna be a while yet for you. Ooh.
Ooh. Bless you. Bless you.
That's okay, he said. Oh.
You say, Mama?
He's really something else. It is something to hear him talk like that.
My little chatterbox.
Yeah, Mama has got the like buttons almost like up here.
Got little lions on his feet.
Yeah. Well, I better go comb my hair and I want to change my blouse. Oh. I told Mary that I wasn't going to go this morning, so I don't really need anything. I'll be back.